Hello everyone, welcome to another episode. If you have never seen a number like this, you are not alone. I think everyone on the earth will not seen it and then will never use it because the number like this is very big. Even if they are constructed or they are written using a small number, it is very bigger than that you can imagine. Okay, backing up on this, this is called, or this is what we call it, a tetration. Okay, this is, like I said, this is a tetration. Tetration. Okay, meaning that this is three tetration three. Okay, so I just want to let you know, guys, three tetration three is quite different than three the power of three. This is basically an exponential, right? And then this is quite different from this Tetration. So this is, like I said, a very big number. Okay, and then this is called, like I said, the tetration. This is like an exponential. So meaning that three, the tetration three is equal to basically three is the power of three, the power of three, the power of three, the power of three. This is how it is. So you need to basically multiply this from this side or from the top. So which is equal to 3, the power of 3. This means basically 27, or 3 the power of 3, the power, I mean 3 times 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, which is equal to, this term is what, 27, right? 27. So meaning that 3 uh, power of the power of 27 is, like I said, is a very big number. Okay, and then which is equal to basically 7 trillion 625 billion 597,484 thousand. I'm sorry about that. 7 trillion 625 billion 597,484,000, and then 800 and 987. I'm not so sure if I read correctly. So you can read this number, 7 trillion, okay, 7 trillion 625 billion 597 million 484,000, as well as 987. And then this is quite different from 3 the power of 3, which is equal to basically 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 27. Okay, so which is equal to 27. 3 the power of 3 is equal to, I mean 3 the power of 3, yep, 3 the power of 3 is equal to 27. So yeah, that is very, I mean, that is a basic difference between 3 Tetration 3 as well as 3 the power of 3. So I just wanted to add a few tips on this. So before that, could you please subscribe, like, and then share this video? That will help me a lot. So what I'm trying to say, that's what I want to add to you guys, is like 3 factorial 3 is quite different than 3 subfactorial. Okay, so these are very, I mean, these are different number. I mean, basically, these are different. 3 factorial is different from, it's not similar with subfactorial or subfactorial. 3 subfactorial. Okay, 3 factorial means basically you can multiply 3 times 2 times with what? Is 1, right? And then which is equal to what? 6, isn't it? Right? Yep, that's it. And then 3 subfactorial means which is equal to 3 factorial, open the bracket, 1 minus 1 upon 1 factorial plus 1 upon 2 factorial minus 1 upon 3 factorial, okay? So this is how you need to calculate subfactorial. So which is equal to basically 3 factorial means 6 multiplied by this term is you will get 1 upon 3. Okay, so you can plug this guy over here. So which is equal to by 3 1. This term is cancelled by 3 by 3 1 3 6 by 3, which is equal to 2. So that is all for this session. So like I said, could you please subscribe, like, and then share this video. I'm available like almost every platform, like in TikTok. You can find me in TikTok, as well as you can find me in YouTube, as well as in the LinkedIn. So if you have any question, you can feel free to get me in those platforms, especially in LinkedIn, as well as in Telegram. You can get me on those, or you can send me an email as well. You can find me. You can find me my email in TikTok. I think you can find an email as well in YouTube. Yeah, that is all for today. And then, yep, that is all for today. Goodbye for now. See you in the next session. Goodbye.